Hey YouTubers, gearheads, and machinists, welders. This is Ron, aka Bill7974, and I went ahead and saw these on Eastwood.com, ordered them, and they did a drop shipment through Tab and Slot LLC, and they sent me these via the U.S. mail in a box. Of course, you can see the Ziploc bags keep all the moisture content out. And this one here is the 6x12, and this is the 12x12, 2 inches wide, 90. So if you're fabricating, hey, I had some money left over, so I went ahead and bought them anyway, and I'll go ahead and assemble them. And hey, what a project, huh? You can MIG them, TIG them, but I'm going to go ahead and use the TIG, and I think they'll come out just great. This one here, the 6x12, was $64.89. I know, expensive. And the 12x12 was $91.99. And take them out of the bags, Ziploc bags, and they come out. There are the two sides. This piece here goes right there, and this piece here will go right there. And let me stop the video, and I'll go ahead and put them together, and let's take a look. Okay, took a couple minutes to go ahead and set it up. I haven't welded it yet, and one thing, you got to make sure that these are like this. The tab and slot people did it the right way. Everything is within a 90, and went ahead and took out my square. Voila! Welding next, and they got it so clean. Probably don't even need to clean it up, but I'm going to go ahead and clean it up anyway. Put some acetone on there and give it some tacks. Okay, this is the first TIG, and I've got others to do, and pretty easy. A little bit of cleanup. Okay, I can't do it while I'm filming. I don't have a lens while I'm welding for the camera. So we'll just go ahead and stop here and finish up the rest of the weld. Okay, YouTubers. Finished up the other one. Went ahead and done this one this morning. Checked it. Perfect. Want to draw your attention. These pieces here. One's in the bottom here. And I had to put them in the vise to go ahead and get that 90 on there, and maybe they got damaged or somewhere in shipping or something like that. But the bends were very minor, so I went ahead and corrected it. It took some time, and tacked them up, welded them up, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching. I got one more picture I want to go ahead and show you. My drag car back in 2014. Some guy I know, he took a picture, and I went ahead and had it done on iCanvas. Thought you might like this. Now here it is, 1966 Chevy 2 Nova with a 540 rear Morrison engine in it. And when I had this picture, and I went ahead and gave to them, took about a week to go ahead and do it. They did a darn good job. I think it measures 26 by 40, and of course there's a little, the guy who took it, he gave me a normal picture and this one here too, and so I submitted this one. I think it came out pretty good, iCanvas.com, and got some other pictures in the house, but this was a real treat. Alright, drag racers and fabricators and YouTubers, talk to you later. Bye. And thanks for watching.